Hello students, I welcome you all for this video lecture, and in this video I am going to explain you one of the experiment in engineering practices lab. Actually in this lab you have two group of experiment. First group A, in which you will learn some of mechanical and civil experiments, and in group B you will learn electrical and electronic experiments. And here I am going to explain the first experiment in electronics. First experiment is study of electronic components and equipment, and in this electronic component we focused on resistor, and here we are going to see how we can measure the resistance value of the resistor from the color coding. And second part is equipment. Here we are going to study the CRO, that is cathode ray oscilloscope. Using that, how we can measure amplitude, time period and phase angle of any given input signal. So before entering into color coding, let us see what is resistor. You all know about resistor. Resistor is a passive element, and the main use of resistor is to limit the electric current on electrical circuit. Okay, so it's either limiting or regulating the flow of electric current in electrical circuit, and it will not store any electrical energy, and it will dissipate electric power as a heat. Next, Ohm's law. You all know Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the voltage across the conductor is directly proportional to current flowing through it, provided all physical conditions and temperature remains constant. That is, the voltage across the conductor is directly proportional to current. V is directly proportional to I, and you can write V is equal to IR. Here this constant for proportionality is called as resistance R, and the unit of resistance is ohm. Resistance is available in various shapes and size. There is different type of resistors like fixed resistor and variable resistor. In this picture it shows the fixed resistor. Fixed resistor means the value of resistance cannot be changed. In this picture we can see the variable resistor. First one is a potentiometer, and second one is a rheostat. These two are variable resistors. And third one, which is in blue color, is a varistor, which is a nonlinear resistor. In variable resistor, the resistance value can be changed by adjusting the knob and shaft. Next we will see the symbol of a resistor. First one is a fixed resistor, and second one is rheostat, which has two terminals, and it is a variable resistor. Third one is potentiometer. The aim of this experiment is to find the value of given resistor using color coding chart. And the apparatus required are resistors of various range and multimeter. Here multimeter is to cross check the value of resistor. For measuring the resistance value from color coding, we should know what are the different bands of color present on the resistor. Commercially, the resistor is available either in 4 band, 5 band or 6 band. This 4, 5 and 6 represent the number of bands present on that resistor. That is the number of bands painted on that resistor. And the color of the band decide the resistance value of the particular resistor. So next we will see the 4 band resistor. That is the color coding of 4 band resistor. Here the first two bands decide the first two digit of your resistance value. Third band is a multiplier band which gives the multiplication factor for the resistor, and fourth one is a tolerance band which gives the tolerance value for this resistor. Depending upon the color, the resistance value will vary. So we have to know what is the relationship between the color and the value which is represented by it. This table gives the relationship between the different colors and the value represented by it. In this table, the first two columns represent the first two band of your resistor, and third column represent the multiplier, and the fourth column represent the tolerance value. The different colors which is available in the resistor band is black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white. And these colors have a specific value Black means 0, brown 1, red 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, gray 8 and white 9. Okay, and I hope that you already have a shortcut to remember this colors. That is a BB Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. So it is a shortcut to remember these colors. Okay. So let us see one example. This is a given resistor. There is a 4 band of colors. So it is a 4 band resistor. And here the first band is of brown color. Second band is black color. Third one is orange. And fourth band, the tolerance band is of golden color. We have a chart. Now first brown value is 1. So first digit is 1. Second band is black value is 0. So the second digit is 0. Third band is a multiplier band, and here the color is orange, and the corresponding multiplier is 10 power 3. So the multiplication factor is 10 power 3. So you can write the resistance value as 10 into 10 power 3. That is 10,000 ohm or 10 kilo ohm. You can write it as 10,000 ohm or 10 kilo ohm. And next we have to include the tolerance value. Here it is of gold color. For gold color, the tolerance value is plus or minus 5%. So finally you can write the resistance value with tolerance as 10 kilo ohm resistor with plus or minus 5% tolerance. Next one is a 5 band resistor. Here first 3 band represent 3 digit of your resistance value. Fourth band is a multiplier and fifth band is a tolerance band. It is same as a 4 band resistor, and the corresponding chart is here. The first 3 column represent 3 digits, fourth one multiplier, and last one is tolerance. So let us see one example for 5 band. Here in this resistor, first band is of red color, so the value is 2. Second band is black, so the value is 0. Third band is green, so the value is 5. So this 3 represents the first 3 digit of your resistance value. Fourth band is a multiplier band, which is of orange color. So here the orange color, the value is 10 power 3. So you can put 10 power 3. So now the resistance value is 205 into 10 power 3. That is 205 kilo ohm. Next one, tolerance band. Here it is of a silver color. For silver color, the tolerance value is plus or minus 10%. So finally you can write the resistor value with tolerance as 205 kilo ohm with plus or minus 10% tolerance. Next one is a 6 band resistor. Here the first 3 band represent the 3 digit of your resistance value. Fourth band is a multiplier. Fifth band is a tolerance band, and the last band, that is 6th band, represent the temperature coefficient of that resistor. And this one is the color coding chart for this 6 band resistor. The calculation of resistance value is similar to that of 4 band and 5 band resistor. In addition to that, here you have to include one more parameter, that is the temperature coefficient of that particular resistor. After finding the value of a resistor, it can be cross-checked by multimeter as a ohm meter. After finding the value, enter the value in the tabular column, first column by color coding and second column by multimeter. And the result, thus the value of resistor is obtained using the color coding technique.